In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create double opt form in Brevo. This is a straightforward process, and it helps you confirm that subscribers truly want to receive your messages. By the end, you will have a double confirmation form ready to embed on your website, along with the right email and confirmation behavior. First, go to Marketing, then Forms, and click Create a New Form. Take a moment to look for the Create a New Form button or link, because that is what starts the builder. When you select it, the form creation workspace will open, and you will be ready to design how visitors will submit their information. This is the foundation step, since everything else depends on the form you create right here. Next, use the drag and drop editor to design your form and add the necessary fields. This is where you shape the subscriber experience. You will see different field options in the editor, and you can place them onto the form layout with simple drag actions. Add the fields you need, such as a name field if it is useful for your audience, and an email field, since double opt-in relies on confirming the email address. As you add fields, pay attention to what the form is actually collecting, because the confirmation process will only work properly if the email is captured correctly. After you have your form laid out, you will navigate to the settings step of the form builder. This is an important shift from design to behavior. The settings area controls how the form functions after someone submits it, including the confirmation rules. So at this point, switch your focus from what people see on the form to what happens behind the scenes after submission. Inside Settings, select the Double Confirmation option. This setting is the key feature for double opt-in. It means that when someone signs up, they will not be considered fully subscribed until they click a confirmation link inside the email you send. Take a moment to confirm that the option is selected, since this determines the exact subscriber flow. Once double confirmation is enabled, choose a confirmation email template, or create a new one if you do not already have one. Your template will be sent to subscribers after they submit the form. For this step, look for the drop-down that lists existing templates. If you see a template that matches your brand and your message style, select it. If not, you can create a new template so you can control the wording and ensure the email includes the confirmation link that subscribers must click. Next, select the landing page or confirmation message that the user sees after clicking the link in the email. This part affects what people experience once they confirm their subscription. Depending on your setup, you may be able to choose an existing landing page, or you may use a confirmation message instead. Choose what fits your workflow best, and make sure it clearly communicates that the subscription is confirmed. This helps reduce confusion and improves the overall subscriber experience. After you set the landing page or confirmation message, save your settings. Saving is essential because it ensures all your choices, including double confirmation, email template selection, and post-confirmation behavior, are stored correctly. Then finalize the form so it is ready for use. Finalizing completes the setup and makes sure the form is live and embeddable. Finally, copy the provided embed code to add the form to your website. When you reach the embed step, you will typically see an area that shows the embed snippet. Copy it exactly as provided, without changing anything, because the code connects your website page to your Brevo form. Then paste it into the appropriate place on your website, such as in the HTML where you want the form to appear. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.